Cafe Dose fits perfectly on standard wide mouth and regular mouth canning jars. This is how I use my dose pour over kit. 3 spoonfuls of coffee in the cup. Then you tamp it down. You want to make sure you get it really tight and level, because the tighter you get the grounds, the stronger and better brewing time you'll get. If you want it a little bit stronger, you can use the paper filter in the bottom. Then I pour the hot water on top. I pour it all the way to the top. And then you always want to put the topper over the top. That'll seal in the heat while it's dripping. And then when that's all done, it'll look something like this. And you can add more water if you want a little bit more. You can add cream, half and half, condensed milk, just flavor to taste. So how I use my dose for cold brew pour over is I mix my coffee and my water, put it in my fridge overnight. Then I use my cotton filter, which I pre-wash before use so it performs correctly. The cold brew filter fits into the cup and folds over the side so it won't fall back in. And just pour through, filtering out the coffee. That way you have delicious, coffee ground free cold brew. How to fold up Cafe Dose into a standard wide mouth jar. Cup goes in first, then tamper, then topper, then the tray, then the lid, and the ring.